Hi students, today we can learn about SQL query for creating database and tables. We can open the MySQL database server from here. Here the password is root. This is a MySQL prompt screen. MySQL is not a language, it's a database server. So the language is SQL. That is, if you know SQL commands, we can work on MySQL server. So SQL is a language which is used to interact with the relational database management system. Before creating the table, we have to learn about how to create a database. Okay? Databases and tables. Every database in MySQL consists of a series of tables or collection of tables, and each table consists of rows and columns. Now we can check some SQL commands for database. First one, to view all databases, we can use this command show databases. This command is used to check what are the databases currently exist in the MySQL server. Next, creating databases. Here syntax is create database, database name. This command is used to create a new database in MySQL server. User can decide any database name. Third one is opening databases or activating databases. Here the syntax is use database name. This command is used to open the database to work on it. Then only we can do operations on table. That is create table or update table or any other modification. So we have to first open or activate the database. Last one is removing databases. Here the syntax drop database, database name. This command is used to remove or delete database along with all its tables. Okay. Now we can check with the terminal. If you want to check all the databases that are already created or what are the databases currently exist in MySQL server, we can type show databases. These are the databases exist in this MySQL server. So this show database command is used to view all the databases that are currently exist on the server. Okay. For creating a new database, you have to type create database, database name. Now we can try create database. Suppose our database name is school. Then ends with the semicolon. That is, every command in SQL ends with the semicolon. Now our database school has created. So we can check again the database. For that you can use this up arrow key twice. Then you will get the previous command. Okay. Now you can see your database school is present here. Okay. So we need to open this database to work on it, or we want to switch to this database specifically. Then only you can do operations on the tables. So for that you have to type use then name of the database, that is use school. So database changed. You are in the database now. So we can check any table exists or not. So you can type show tables. Okay, show tables. Then it says empty set. That is, there is no table exists in this database. So we have to create a table. Here we can learn how to create a table in SQL. Create table command is used to create a new table in database. While creating the table, we have to assign a table name, column names, and if there is any keys or constraints, etc. Before learning the syntax of create table, we can check with this example. Here, the table name is student and the column names are roll number, name, percentage, and result date. Let's have a look at the steps to create table in the MySQL. So first we should assign a name to the table. After naming the table, we should assign a name to the column and a data type to each of the column. Now we can check the syntax. Create table, table name within parenthesis, column 1, data type within brackets, size, then constraints or primary key. As we have already learned in the previous section, a primary key basically helps us to uniquely identify rows in the table. Okay. Also, a table cannot have more than one primary key. Again, column 2, data type within bracket size constraints up to any number of columns as we need. Okay. Next is viewing a table. If you want to see all the tables in the current database, we can give the command show tables. Okay. Next, viewing a table structure. To view the structure of the table that we have created, we can give describe table name or DESC table name. Now we can create a table in MySQL Server. Now we can create our table. So create table, then table name is student. Okay, then inside the bracket we have to mention the column names, data type, also if there is any keys or constraints, etc. So our first column is roll number with the data type integer, and we can set roll number as the primary key. So in roll number column we cannot enter a duplicate value, also we cannot leave it as null. Next column is name. So this name is a string. So we can use varchar as the data type with size 20. And the third column is percentage. Here the data type is decimal size 5,2. And the final column is result date. Here the data type is date, then close bracket, semicolon. So we have created successfully our table. If you want to view the table structure, you can use describe table name. Here describe student. Otherwise we can use DESC student. This is the details of our table. Here field is the details of columns and type is the details of data type which we have already defined. Also this roll number set as the primary key. So we cannot leave this column as null.